Welcome to the Cutler.io Academy, where industry experts share tips and tricks on working with data. In this video, we will show you how to connect Facebook ads to Power BI. Hi, I'm Annie. Power BI is the perfect place for your Facebook ads data. It offers virtually unlimited abilities to visualize your data, drill down into specific metrics, and extract precisely the insights you need. And it's really easy to send data from Facebook ads to Power BI on a fully automated basis. Let me show you how to go about it. I'll use Cutler.io, a platform that turns complex data into simple reports. You can use it to connect dozens of apps to Power BI, including PPC platforms, CRMs, time tracking tools, databases, and more. Sign up for a free 14-day trial. No credit card is needed. Then add a new importer. As a source app, choose Facebook ads. As a destination for your data, go with Power BI. I'll name the importer Ads Insights, as that is precisely what I want to fetch. To import Facebook ads data to Power BI, you'll first need to connect your Facebook account. Next, choose one or more ad accounts. There are 4 report types available. I'm after Ad Insights this time, so I'll settle with the default option. Adjust the report period if you'd like, use macros to fetch data from the last week, month, year, or anything in between, or pick specific dates if you prefer. The last 60 days works perfectly fine for me, so I'm going to leave the values as they are. Optionally, choose how data should be split. By default, you'll get a separate row of data for each day, which works fine for me. Here you can decide which fields will be extracted with your report. To the default set, I'll add conversion rate ranking. And let's also add the cost per pixel to the mix. The last 2 settings are optional, and I'll skip them. The source app is now set up. You can proceed to the next stage or add more apps. It could be more Facebook accounts that Cutler.io would blend together, or connect data from various advertising platforms and build a comprehensive PPC dashboard in Power BI. I'll go ahead to the next stage. Here you can preview your data and apply various transformations. I'll choose not to import the account name column since it's identical for all rows. I'll also apply a filter to only fetch rows where the amount spent was higher than $10. Sort data if you'd like, and create new formulas to calculate any custom metrics. In the final stage, you'll set up a data destination for this Facebook ads to Power BI integration. Copy the integration URL. Enable also a schedule to automatically refresh your data. I'll opt for a daily refresh, 7 days a week. Finally, run the importer. Let's jump to Power BI Desktop now. Here, click on Get Data and choose Web. Paste in the link you copied moments ago and wait for a bit as Power BI evaluates your query. Shortly, you'll see the preview of your data in Power Query. Make any adjustments you need, and once you're ready, click on Close and Apply in the corner of your screen. Power BI will now load your data, and you'll shortly see it in the data pane to the right. You can now start building your Facebook ads report. And if you don't want to start from scratch, have a look at this Facebook ads Power BI template that we built just for you. It gives you all your vital metrics at a glance, lets you compare campaigns, see your progress month to month, and dive deeper into audience demographics. The dashboard template is free to download and takes just a few minutes to set up. Give it a try. And that's it! Now you know how to connect Facebook ads to Power BI. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like, share the video with others, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.